Car batteries, just like clockwork, they tend to die right after the 3-year warranty has expired. So this is the infamous 2012 Toyota Sequoia Limited. Lost the battery, not even a couple weeks ago. It just, click, click, click. Was able to jump it, get it down to Advanced Auto Parts. We always go to Advanced Auto Parts. There's an AutoZone and all that stuff. We just seem to like the guys at Advanced better. We got the old die-hard gold ready to roll right off the shelf. 750 cold cranking amps. And the old part number is 24F-6. And what I do when I get the batteries, I don't know if these felt things really work. I know these tips are tapered. So what that means, it pushes these clamps up higher on the nubs here. So you may not get a good fit with these felt tips on. And right here I got one underneath as well. So if you're not getting a good connection with your terminal connectors here and you have these felt things, just get rid of the felt things and just put some battery terminal protection spray on them to cut down on any corrosion. They actually do kind of keep the corrosion down quite a bit. So just beware if this isn't fitting correctly, if that's loose, then you know to get rid of that so the bracket sits closer down to the base of the battery. What I do, I got the new battery here. It cost, what did it got? Out the door. So it's $216.49. There was a core battery return charge. So they charge you $22 and you get $22 back. And so out the door with tax, 7.5%. Woo! Woo! $232.73, baby. So they put that in. They come out and they hook it up for you if you don't want to do it, but you can do it yourself too. They are heavy. Let the younger guys do it. Hell, they're bored. Let them do something. Anyway, I get the battery, haven't put it in. I come home with a Sharpie, put the date on, because typically these things will die 1 second after the 3-year warranty expires. So you have 3 years on these die-hard golds, or most batteries, a 3-year. If they drop before that, you take that in under warranty, and hopefully you have no problem replacing it for free under the warranty clause you paid for with this battery. So there you go, nothing much to this. Just keep an eye on that, write the date down, keep all your receipts. I put them in a old plastic bag. I know it's OCD, right? I put them in a plastic bag so I don't lose them, and I stick them in the glove compartment. So then I know when I'm even changing the oil, and I say, oh my God, we're getting up on June of 2029, let's say, right? Then I know, oh, this battery may start to go pretty soon. Keep an eye on it. Do I have my receipt? I got my receipt, just in case it goes. It has to go under the 3-year, not cranking for you to get the warranty. You just can't say, hey, I want a new battery every 3 years. All right, that is all. Quick little video, because most people don't know what to do with batteries. Again, most people that work on cars know about batteries, right? But most people don't know what to do. Just go to Advanced, walk in, give them your car, and you might be in the system already. Say, I just want the gold, whatever, die-hard gold, and ask what the warranty is. It's 3 years. They'll come out, hook it up for you. They'll make sure the car starts. You can even put these stupid felt things in. You don't need them. You don't need them. And I would go home, write down the date you purchased the battery on, keep your receipt, and you're good to go. And you have your warranty backed up in case it does fail. But typically, 3 years, car batteries, maybe in the extreme north with the cold, they may die. Down here in the heat, in the south, the heat does a number on these batteries as well. All right, simple little stuff. Cars, always something, but you can learn to do this yourself and just know what to get, know what to look for, and just prepare. Don't be stuck somewhere. You can also have a battery booster, one of those little battery packs ready in your car in case you need to jump to get you to one of these auto parts store to get your battery replaced. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. I'm out.